sometimes it's kind of like the device on your badge.
What?
The object, it has a variety of physical properties as well as like electrical and chemical properties, and at times it's kind of like your badge.
Is it?
Yeah, luckily it was the electrical last. Well, I don't know that that's lucky, but it was different last night. It depends on what it decides to do.
Okay.
Not really. Seems to be federally oriented, and according to their own definition, it violates their own laws.
Okay.
But anyway, I'll leave that one at that. Much larger case.
PTSD.
And so what thought disorder are
I
you?
don't know. I'm not a psychiatrist or a psychologist.
And in what ways have you noticed altered mentation?
Well, I don't.
I was hoping to get an appointment for today, basically, or...
You want to see a doctor
Possible.
urgent care?
Yes, please.
What do you need to be seen for?
So it seems that there's something in my colon or intestines that keeps causing problems. Basically, I was seen for pinworms about, maybe it's about 2 months ago now at Kaiser. And unfortunately, there were some problems there that ended up happening. And so I still need to resolve the issue. It's not gone away. I did receive treatment for pinworms, and it. Let's see. Yes, I do. So it seems like there's probably an object of some sort that's poisoning me. It seems like it roofies me with certain things and causes various irritation. Does that sound like something you've heard before?
We don't do anything clinical out here.
Okay, no problem. I was just curious if you'd heard of such strange things before. Yeah, it's a strange dynamic.
Your
Oh,
ID.
yep. Sorry. It kept me up all last night, basically. Like raping me hundreds to thousands of times the past 6 months, strangely enough. That should do it, I think.
And so you said you're not sure if you're in our system?
I'm
Can I start with your phone
affirmative.
number?
541-631-1383.
And what's your home address?
Let's see. So, 3126 Shattuck Avenue in Berkeley.
And just need your date of birth, please.
August 28th, 1984.
PTSD.
And so what thought disorder are
I
you?
don't know. I'm not a psychiatrist or a psychologist.
And in what ways have you noticed altered mentation?
Well, I don't. Let me just say that based on my experience, I'm concerned about you, and I would like someone else who has more sophistication than me to evaluate you.
Well, I'm alert and oriented, and I pose no threat to myself or others. Would you agree?
I'm not talking about a 5150. I agree.
Okay, excellent.
This is not a 5150.
I appreciate it because basically, in accordance with, and see, I have a police report and DVD evidence here that I can provide you with to corroborate my assertions.
Do you have family or friends nearby?
So I do.
Okay, is there someone you can call who can come here?
Well, it's a criminal matter.
I'm not
it's
interested
not
in
actually.
I'm not a cop. Okay,
Right.
That I'm not worried about. I want to know if you have family or friends nearby, someone who can assist me in getting you to get evaluation that I can't do here.
Well, that's not my chief complaint. That's not what I'm attempting to have resolved
I
yet.
know, but I got to do the best I can for you, and I'm not going to be able to resolve all of your issues.
Well, the only issue that I'm looking to you for assistance with is actually basically diagnostics pertaining to the object that has been, according to the federal definition, raping me hundreds
I
to
can't do
thousands
that
of
here,
times.
though, and I can't argue with
Like
you.
an X-ray, or
X-ray is not going to show me anything.
it wouldn't
Okay.
pick up some small density, basically.
No. The only thing it would pick up would be bone density or metal density. And you're not likely to have bone or metal density.
What about like ultrasound? Would that potentially?
I don't have that available to me here, and that might not help either.
Okay.
Ultrasound is a coarse study.
Okay.
It's not a fine, detailed study.
Okay.
But let me come back to my original
Yes, sir.
question.
Yep.
Can you get someone here to assist me in getting you to get better evaluated? I am worried about you.
I don't believe so, unfortunately.
Are you willing to drive yourself to this clinic?
I would consider it. Yeah, especially depending on what characteristics there were, especially if there was like an outpatient consideration to speak
Yes,
with.
this is an
Yes.
outpatient consideration.
Wonderful. I'd love to speak with someone.
Okay. wonder if I can get you. I think you have a mobile phone, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me get you the phone number of this clinic. Let me call them.
That's more my PTSD. And they've been doing that to the point of migraines and even seizures the past 2 years, saturating.
What VA are you going to?
To obstruct justice in Oakland. But I've been to others. I was in Oregon as well, and even in Massachusetts. They've been attacking me to try to basically force me into sex slavery.
When was the last time you were in the Oakland VA?
Probably a month and a half ago. 2 months.
So I have several options. Maybe I'll see if I can get hold of the Oakland VA and see if they'll be able to see you today. If not, then I think this other clinic is where I need to have you go. And I think it's important.
Based on what criteria precisely?
My feelings as a physician.
But you had already agreed that I'm alert and oriented and pose no threat to myself or
This
others.
is not a 5150 issue.
Well, it sounds like the diagnostics are misaligned.
I think there's some things, yeah, they might be. And I think that another clinic where we can get them better aligned is what we're looking for.
Oh, well, let me clarify my position then by acknowledging the criminal malpractice that I was subjected to by the Oakland VA, so the conflict of interest.
So if you don't want to go to the Oakland VA, then I think Saucil Creek is the answer for you.
Excellent. Well, I just don't want crimes committed against me. So as
I
a
agree.
practitioner, I'm sure you can appreciate
Yeah.
the criminality. in the
Sit
field.
down for a second. We have some scotch tape too. This thing is coming off.
Well, it sounds like you're unable to help, so perhaps I should go.
Okay, what I want you to do is go to this clinic.
I would be happy to speak with him.
All right,
If
so
you have
let me
time.
get you some instructions with a phone number.
Okay.
And if you like, you can call from right here.
Oh, well, that's all right. If you have the information, I'd be happy to take it with me.
All right, but I
You
would
said
like
it's-
you, I
they're
would like
called
you to call just so you can get a feel for this clinic.
Sutter
No, Saucil Creek. Let me get it.
Saucil Creek.
Yeah, let me get it for you. Sit
Oh,
down.
that's okay. I think I should go.
Well, that's your choice, but I'd like to give you this phone number first.
Oh, that's okay. I'll look it up. Thank you so much.
All right.
Yeah,
Bye.
it sounds like you can't help. Wow. It's slavery. They couldn't help. No, I guess it's just criminal malpractice. Thank you, you too. Take care.